হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, অনেকে হয়তোবা আমার থাম্বনেল দেখে বুঝে গেছেন আজকের ভিডিওটা কি নিয়ে। হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই আইফোন 12 প্রো ম্যাক্স নিয়ে আজকের ভিডিও। ভিউয়ার্স, আমরা মুনাকে পিক আপ করে ফেলেছি। এখন আমরা যাচ্ছি স্টোরে, রোজডেলে। আমাদের যেতে হয়তোবা 30 মিনিটসের মতো লাগবে। সো আমি আপনাদের সাথে শেয়ার করব কি ধরনের ফোন আমরা দেখলাম, কোন কালারগুলো কীরকম এবং ফিচারগুলো কি, অবশ্যই আমি আপনাদের রিভিউতে জানাবো। এভরিওয়ান, আমরা এখানে আসলাম গোচা, এটার নেম। আমরা বাবল টি খেতে আসলাম এখানে। বাবল টি নিয়ে দেন আমরা যাব হচ্ছে রোজডেল মলে, ওইখানে আমরা অ্যাপল স্টোরে যাব। সো চলেন, আমরা বাবল টিটা কি অনেকেই হয়তো জানে না, বাট আমি তার জন্যই ভাবলাম যে আপনাদেরকে একটু দেখাই। সো চলেন দেখি। তো এটা হচ্ছে মেনু। সো এই হচ্ছে বাবল টি, আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। সো ওটা হচ্ছে ম্যাঙ্গো পিচ আর আমারটা হচ্ছে ব্ল্যাক সুগার বাবল টি। সো এই যে নিচে যে কালো কালোগুলো, এগুলোই কিন্তু বাবল, যার জন্য এটাকে বাবল টি বলা হয়। তাহলে চলেন এবার আমরা অ্যাপল স্টোরে যাই। Hey guys, here we are in Apple Store right now. আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। তো এটা হচ্ছে সবগুলো কালার এখানে। Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Life is very colorful. So guess what, today I'm gonna show you my new phone, which is iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this is a blue color one because I already used silver, golden, black and red. So this time I select the blue color for new experience, for new color. And I wish you guys gonna like my phone, and I'm gonna show you now. I didn't open it, it's coming, I'm ordering it online. So, and it's coming like before 3 days, but I'm waiting for my day off because I'm working like a full-time working lady. That's why I just thinking, so after 3 days to do this review for you guys. Hope you guys like it, my video. Please subscribe, like and watch my videos. I'm gonna open it now. Muna tumi zoom korte paro chale
Any fucking day now.
Muna here is my phone. You can see the camera and everything. This is the phone.
We're not worthy. We're not worthy.
So everything. So this is the charger, but I have to buy the like small cord because it's not coming with this phone box. So this is, I have to pay extra, which is all the iPhones having the cord, like small cord, but the problem is coming with only the cord, which is I have to buy this. So this is all the instruction, and this is the pin, so you can open your phone and just insert your new SIM or whatever. So those are coming with that. This is the sticker for iPhone. You can use it anywhere. And this is very small instruction, so you can just read and reset your right now. So when I'm gonna install my Apple ID and everything, that time is gonna show me my all the photos on the contact number, whatever I have in my phone saved, and my videos and my Facebook and everything. And I think it's cool. They have a like face lock and everything together, and I like the color and the cameras. I need to have a, so you can see, select English. So it's showing me so if you want to do your face, so I'm gonna doing my face, so continue. So I'm pressing here continue. So his name is asking me for my password, whatever I want. So here is already transferred my old phone to my new phone. So I don't know how many times it's gonna be take. It should be taking, it's showing me 9 minutes. So I'm gonna show you after, maybe after it's done, then I'm gonna show you how it looks like the inside. Now it's showing me 2 minutes, so we're gonna wait until 2 minutes is done, and let's see what is inside new. Why is like too much expensive? Because when it was launching and coming new, that time I bought it, this one first time when it's coming iPhone 8 Plus new, I bought it right away, this one. But in the meantime I take a gap for iPhone, because you know guys, it's very expensive, but like it's heavy features, and I know it's every year is coming new phone, so of course they have something new on this phone, and it's always expensive. I don't get it sometimes, but I know sometimes when I did for my YouTube videos or anything, it give me very good video qualities, so people cannot like thinking is not like, you know, is not record with my camera or something like that. People cannot make the difference, so which is I like it, that's why I think. And for take this phone, iPhone 12 screen, you see is 6.7. so, and if you capture any pictures, or if you want a movie like recording any videos, so it's gonna record very nicely. That's why my husband said okay, whatever, but you have to pay for iPhone 12 Max, I mean Pro Max, a little bit extra for that, but finally he gave it to me. So let's say it's showing me 1 minute. Let's see. So it's showing me transfer complete, so it's done. Let's see. So it's restarted again because it's transferred down already. I think it's gonna take time. Here, this phone is my new phone. This is my old phone. So you can see everything is transferred right away, which is, I like it, this system. And it's showing me all the apps is downloading still. You can see is all the apps downloading. Very cute, very nice. Like you can see my pictures here. Here is so you can see my pictures and everything in my bag. I think it's cool, not bad. And so in the pictures before I was used, there have only zooming option 1 and 2. Now is adding. You can see the adding point here is more zooming option you can get, which is 2.5, and I'm trying to share with you guys my best. I hope you guys like it. So whatever, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comments and share. Hope you guys are always be happy, healthy, where you are going, no matter what. Please be safe for this virus, and please support me, support my videos, and hopefully you like my videos. I don't know, you can comment on my comments box. I'm gonna of course reply to your comments. So thank you, see you again.